Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: phone OS version, free storage, and battery level, then install the official Voice AI app. Once installed, grant microphone and background audio permissions so the app can record continuously. Make sure you sign in or create an account and link any cloud storage or app-specific backups. Next, choose your input language and preferred voice model. This affects latency and tone. Finally, run a quick test recording to confirm the mic capture and basic transcription are working before moving on. Once done with basics, dive into configuration. Open audio settings and set noise reduction, input gain, and the correct microphone source to prevent clipping. Then run short 10 to 30-second samples to assess clarity. Make incremental adjustments. If the app supports personalization, record a handful of sentences so the model adapts to your voice and accent. Also choose latency versus quality. Lower latency for live use, higher quality for transcripts. Make sure to enable on-device processing when privacy and offline use are priorities. To finish, run a complete workflow. Record a typical clip, trim or edit an app, then export to your preferred format and destination. Make sure you save versions both locally and to cloud backups and enable automatic saves for reliability. For mobile shortcuts, map common actions for faster editing. If something goes wrong, first reboot the app and device, then confirm microphone permissions and that the correct input is selected. If latency or dropouts persist, toggle on-device processing or reduce sample rate to stabilize performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.